Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Right, so this video is a follow-up of the last video we had, following the comments and requests of some of our viewers in the comment section requesting that we try to solve this problem using the other way of writing the consecutive terms. So you recall that we said that for you, if you are given a problem like this, so you give names to the consecutive terms, that the consecutive terms are supposed to be of this form. We said if the first one is x, then the next should be x plus d, the common difference, and the next should be x plus 2d. Assuming you want to write the fourth one, that will be x plus 3d. Okay, now I said in the other video that we needed to use this other type where you have x minus d, and next one, if you add d to this, you have x here, and if you add d to this, you now have x plus d. So we use this type because it allows us to solve this problem faster. So but let's see how to do it, assuming we arrange our terms this way. Okay, so let the terms be x plus d and x plus 2d. Okay, so if these are our terms, so what do? Just like we did, we try to solve from the information given. They said that the sum of the three terms is 18. That means x plus d plus x plus 2d is equal to 18. So what that means, if you sum what we have here, you see that we have 3x plus 3d is equal to 18. And so here we can bring out 3, and if we do, we'll have 3 into x plus d to be equal to 18. And if we divide both sides by 3, we'll have that x plus d will be equal to 6, and we can call this equation 1. And from this equation 1, we can make d the subject of the formula, and that will give us that d is equal to 6 minus x, and we can call this equation 2. Okay, so haven't seen this, what do we do next? So we'll try to now bring the second part of the question, which says that the product is 120. So that is to say that x multiplying x plus d multiplying x plus 2d is equal to 120. Now, but from equation 1, we have that x plus d is 6. So we'll come here and replace this by 6. And so if we replace x plus d with 6, we're going to have that 6x here into x plus 2d, is equal to 120. Now, but we also have that from equation 2 that d is 6 minus x. So if we replace here with 6 minus x, that's going to give us 6x into x plus, we can put this like this, 2 into 6 minus x, and this is equal to 120. Here we can actually divide both sides by 6, and if we do that, we are going to have 6 divide here and here divided by 6. Okay, that will give us x into x. If you open this bracket, you will have plus 12, then minus 2x, and this is equal to 20. Okay, so if we open this bracket finally, first of all, if you subtract this, you're going to have minus x. So this will give us x into 12 minus x is equal to, okay, and then if you open up this bracket, we'll have 12x minus x squared is equal to 20. If you take all of this to the right hand side, we're going to have that x squared minus 12x plus 20 is equal to 0. Okay, so we need to solve this quadratically to get our solution. And if we do that, we are going to have that x minus 10 and x minus 2 will be equal to 0. Okay, so you will need to check and confirm that that is true. And if that is true, then it means that our x is equal to 10 or x is positive 2. And so if our x is 10 or positive 2, so what it means is that our d, remember equation 2 tells us what d is. So when x is 10, our d is going to be 6 minus 10, which is minus 4, or when x is 2, 6 minus 2 will be positive 4. Therefore, the three terms we're actually looking for are going to be, the first term is x, which we got as 10 or 2. So when x is 10, we are going to have 10, then x plus d, and at that time our d is minus 4, so you have minus 6 minus 4 again, that will be 2. And when your x is 2, so you are going to have 2, and at that time your d will be positive 4, that will be 6 and 10. So, and in each case you will have a correct solution. You can check it. The sum of these three is 18 and the product is 120, and the same with this. Okay, and so that's how to handle it this other way. So you see that it led us into a quadratic equation. So to avoid this tedious approach, that's why we will choose to use this in solving it. All right, and that's where we'll stop for this video according to your request. We'll please kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel, make comments, like and share our YouTube videos, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye.